need February 6th trade recap. We caught a banger. It's refreshing. The whole market's been fucking shit the whole week, but we caught a banger just now, about 100 plus points. I don't even know. I'll have to check in the recap, but bangers. I will see you in there in a bit. So trade recap of the day. So I was bullish on the start of the day, reason being that if we remove all drawing right here and we go on to the hourly, we see that the hourly, right, we had a unfilled fair value gap. Now what happened to the unfilled fair value gap? This was sent in the inner circle daily bias channel. Bam, we tapped into the hourly fair value gap right here. We also had a 15-minute with session lows right there, which we didn't go, but that's whatever. So the bias was bullish in that reason on the unfilled hourly fair value gap and the LR all across the board. Now coming into the market, we see that in open, well, we tapped into that hourly and we got an inversion, but to me this inversion was a bit too big, if that makes sense, as to right here the inversion was at the top right there, which was exactly the same play as yesterday, but no good RR. Right now afterwards, what happened is that we swept the session low of yesterday. If we zoom out a bit, this is the session high, sorry, of yesterday, which we swept, and then we had a nice inversion for value gap that I took on live and that a lot of people took as well. Accounts were passed, accounts were taken out of drawdown with that one, so I'm super happy. I did trail, right? I took some partials right here in the CE of the first presented right here, so I took some partials right there, and then I got stopped trailing on the 10 a.m. level plus that wick right there. So that is pretty much the trade of the day. Now there's one I did miss, which is the short right here, but did not end up playing anyway, so it's whatever. So that is pretty much it for the trade recap. If you enjoyed, make sure you join the Discord, join the inner circle, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all that in the description.